Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we have a trig word problem involving an airplane. So this can involve some complicated vocabulary here that we need to go over. So an airplane at an altitude of 8,000 meters makes its approach at an angle of 10 degrees to the horizontal. How far from the airstrip should it begin its descent? Okay, so if it's at an altitude of 8,000 meters, then it's 8,000 meters above the ground. So we can make a perpendicular line here, which is going to be 8,000 meters. 8,000, one more zero. Okay, it makes its approach at an angle of 10 degrees. So approach means that's the part of the flight where it starts to go down towards its landing. Okay, so that means it's going to start going down. So it makes an approach towards the runway. Okay, and then the runway is going to be over here somewhere, and okay, so it makes its approach towards the runway at a 10-degree angle to the horizontal. So all that means to the horizontal means this basically the ground could be a horizontal line, or we could say that the flight of the airplane is at the horizontal. So either way, it's both going to be 10 degrees. So that's 10 degrees to the horizontal. Just draw a horizontal line, and that means it's 10 degrees towards any of those horizontal lines. Okay, now how far from the airstrip should it begin its descent? Okay, that would be this distance here that we're looking for. Okay, this is the distance from the airstrip in which it should make its descent. So we're looking for x in this diagram. Okay, the hardest part is drawing the diagram correctly, I guess. But once we've got that done, we can start identifying the sides in the triangle. This side, so we're talking about this angle. So this side over here is the opposite side. And this is going to be the hypotenuse over here, of course. And this is going to be the adjacent. So we can set up our equation as follows. Well, first, let me write out SOHCAHTOA. Okay, and which one are we using? We're using opposite and adjacent, so we have to use tangent for this one. So tangent of 10 degrees equals, now opposite divided by adjacent is going to be 8,000 divided by x. So I need to solve for x now. I'm going to multiply both sides by x. X's cancel. I get x tan 10 degrees equals 8,000. Okay, continuing on, I need to get rid of this tan 10 here, so I'm going to divide by tan 10. And that cancels that out, so I get this last part here is x equals 8,000 divided by tan 10 degrees. And I'm going to work that out on my calculator. I get, just a second. Okay, so I get 8,000 divided by tan 10 equals, and I get 45,000. Let's go back to that, 45,370. 45,370 meters. So basically when you're about 45 kilometers out, the airplane should begin its descent.